Last week, Adobe released a brand new version of Behance, and I thought I would tell you a little bit about it. If you never heard of Behance, it's essentially a social media for creatives. It's a great place to share your work, to get some feedback, and to find inspiration. This year is Behance's 10th anniversary, and that is why we're getting this wonderful redesign. So first off, let's talk about the look, the actual feel and look of the interface. I'm a little shocked. I think it's weird that when you open this up, you're gonna notice that it looks a lot like the iPhone App Store, and it looks a little bit like Instagram as well. I'm just surprised that they went this route. After all, this is the creative company of the world. Adobe is the most creative company. They sell creative products. So I'm just surprised they didn't stretch the boundaries or do something a little bit new, kind of lead a new era of UX design. I don't know. I'm just surprised. You'll have to let me know what you think on that. The next big thing is a brand new For You section of the app. And this is also a website too. I hope I'm not making it sound like it's just an app. Adobe has been working on a machine learning platform called Sensei. And this is basically, it's like your other apps, like it's learning what you want to see and it's curating that list specifically for you. Not that I'm against this, and trust me, I actually really like the redesign, so I sound negative right now, but my favorite thing about Behance is that I'm able to follow these amazing designers, and then my feed is what they like. So whatever the people that I follow, whatever those people like, that's what I get to see on my feed right in the present. But with this new update, there's gonna be some other stuff mixed in that Adobe thinks I wanna see, and sometimes that just gets in the way of what I really do want to see. So I'm anxious to see how that goes. I'm not opposed to it, but I really liked the way I had my feed set up before. The last really big update that they made was a new thing called In Progress. And I think this is amazing. I'm so glad that they did this. They essentially took Instagram stories or Snapchat stories and made it possible for designers or creatives to capture the process and share a 24-hour story just like they would on one of those other platforms. All right, head over there, check out the new Behance. I literally use it every single day for inspiration. You can always go follow me there and check out the people that I follow. I have some really cool collections of work that I use. So go check it out, give me a follow, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Have a good week.